Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Barlage. I miss everyone, and it looks like we're going to be getting started together this Wednesday, April 22nd, from 11 o'clock in the morning until 11:45. If you'll see on the screen, you're going to be going to a Google Meet to join me, so you're just going to click on that link, the meet.google.com. So if you can't just click on it, then you're going to want to highlight the part from the HTTPS all the way to where it says KBH. Copy and paste that into the URL and hit go. And then that will take you to the meeting so that you can join me. If you don't have a computer, it's okay. You can join me by phone. There's the phone number listed there, the 1304-503-3465. And then you will need to enter that PIN number 513-660-601 and then the hashtag. We're going to take turns responding to questions today just to allow everyone an opportunity to express how they are feeling. Now more than ever, we need to be able to respect and support one another. I want to start by saying that this is normal to feel some anxiety right now. So next you'll see some questions that we're going to be talking about during Wednesday's meeting. And then from 11:30 to 11:35, I'm going to be going over the lessons that we will be doing in class every week. And then from 11:35 to 11:45, we're going to end on a positive note talking about what's bringing you joy and peace during this chaos. I look forward to seeing everyone on Wednesday. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.